Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and the video from this class, 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about physical products arbitrage, we had an introduction into arbitrage, we have talked about how to leverage different online marketplaces, which is the process that you should go through in order to start to make sales and profits and to actually get this type of business going. And right now I want to give out some tips, okay, for using eBay as an online marketplace, as an online seller, because probably you will start with ebay.com, this type of business, and you should know these things when you start out because it will help you to maximize your results and actually get results as fast as you possibly can. So let's dive into the actual information. So tips for eBay sellers. The first tip would be start with low priced products that sell fast so you can build a good reputation and increase your seller limits. You will see that you have, when you start out on eBay, you will have some seller limits, and practically you want to increase those limits from month to month to month so you can list more products in your online store and you can start to sell more at a higher value. Okay, but first of all, in order to get you going and get some traction with your eBay store, to say so, you need to find very low priced products, but I wouldn't recommend you under $10 or even under $20, okay, but to be lower price products so you can sell them fast. Okay, you need to have cash flow very fast. When you start, you can sell products in total value of maximum $500, so this is in direct relationship with what we have talked earlier. Okay, so go for the products ranged anywhere between $20 and $50. Okay, because if you go for example for a product that it's less than $10 or $15, your profit margin will be very small, and actually you will make very little money on that product. Okay, be sure that you can add a margin of at least 40% to sell a product so you can actually earn money. Why is that? Because you will have some eBay fees for each product that you list, okay, that you need to pay to eBay for listing your product and selling that product into their marketplace. You will also have transportation or shipping for some of them, and with a 40% practically margin, profit margin, you can make money, pay your fees and pay your taxes and still have a very good profit, net profit. Okay, that is the thing that it's of interest for you, because you are actually building a business. You want to earn money from this, so do not go for less than 40%. Now, other tips: always check your rating status. It's very important to obtain and maintain a top seller status. You'll see, and I will show you an example, okay, in our next video, that people who actually have stores that are rated as top sellers will even be able to sell a product at a higher price point than everybody else. Why? Because just by the fact of being a top seller, they will build much more credibility in front of potential customers. So people will look at them with trust, and they will be much more likely to buy from that top seller than from an unusual seller which has maybe a reputation that is not as good as the top seller's reputation. Okay, if you have done everything right from your first month and sold up to your seller limit, so you have passed that 500 practically turnover point, you can ask for the seller increase directly to eBay. You can even call to them. You can tell them, okay, look, I have passed my limits. I'm okay with all the orders. Can you please check out and increase my limits, because I want to add new products and I want to sell more, because it's also in their interest for their sellers to be able to sell more, because that's how they earn money, okay, from the fees that they get on the listings and on the product sales. Okay, so keep all these tips in mind, guys, apply them, and you will see you will get very good results with them. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye for now, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye again. Sorin here.